Hello fans, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Kiss Music. So today I'll be teaching you something very special. We'll be doing this backup guitar melody. Okay? You know, whenever you hear a song, there's always a background guitar that will make your melody balanced. So I will teach you how you can be able to play it in this Highlife melody. Okay? So we go like this. Okay, what I'm playing here is very simple, okay? I'm playing on F sharp, and the key I'm on is on F sharp, but I'll be calling out all the notes of what I'm playing, so that for those that don't play on F sharp, you can be able to apply it in your own key. Okay, what I'm just doing is that whenever you want to create a beat, or you want to play a song, and you are creating the beats on your keyboard or with your system, so there is always this guitar feeling you have to put. Okay, you have to put this guitar feeling before you can be able to solo the main guitar. That is just what I'm doing here. See, what I'm doing is just very sweet, even without starting your saxophone solo and your trumpet solo that you're going to add to the song. Just this guitar will be very melodious. So whenever you play this and you now start to solo with your saxophone, the melody will be very full. You understand? And it will be very nice. So I want to teach you how to play this now. So what I'm doing here is just this. The progression I was playing is Do, Fa, So, Fa, Mi. Okay? Do, Fa, So, Fa, Mi. Okay? So now I'm using this inversion on my Do. Mi, So, Do. So on my Do, I'm using Mi, So, Do. After you play your Mi, So, Do, you go to your Mi, So, Ta. Okay? Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Ta. You can use Fa, La, Re or Fa, La, Do, anyone you want to use. Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Ta. Then So, Ti, Re, Fa, La, Do, Mi, So, Ti. Okay? Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Ta, Fa, La, Re, So, Ti, Re, Fa, La, Do, Mi, So, Ti. Okay? Or you can still do Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Ta, Mi, So, Ti. You can use any one that you want to use, depending on the song. Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Ti, Fa, La, Re, So, Ti, Re, Fa, La, Do, Mi, So, Ti. Okay? That's one. Then if you're doing this, the next one, if you want to play the next one, you can go to your La, Mi, la do. Instead of mi so do now, you go to your mi la do. Understand? That is how you'll be changing them. And sometimes instead of going to your so, you play your re. Re fa la. So ti re da 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 da. Mi so ti re. Mi so ti re. So that is how you'll be changing them. And it will be on repetition. Okay? So we go first up. Hope you're getting what I'm doing. So on your do side, use your mi so do. On your fa, use your fa la do or your fa la re. On your so, use your so ti re or your re so ti. Okay? On your so, you use your so ti re or your re so ti. Then, what I'm doing on my left now. You're playing your me. You owe your me here. Then you can just, when you want to go to your la, you can so zi la, so zi la. Anything you're playing here, you just hold the notes on your left hand. That is what you're doing. So fa mi, la mi re, so fa mi, so si la mi. Okay, so hope you've learned something today. Please, thanks for watching. Please always like my video, comments, and anything you want me to do, you drop your comments. If you don't understand what I played, just comments below. I will explain better. Okay, God bless you.